Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School TV channel. I hope so. You all are well and safe at home. Myself, Atika Kutle. Children, today we are going to study about keeping clean ourselves. How to keep ourselves clean. Okay? Shall we start? All are ready with your books? All are ready with your books? Take your awareness skill book. Be ready. Okay? Shall we start? Yes? Fold your hands and listen the explanation very carefully. You will enjoy this session. Okay? Shall we start? Very good. Keeping clean. Keeping clean means what? To make ourselves dirty, to play in mud, to make yourself dirty, to keep your hands dirty. Yes? Or else you can say you should grow your nails. You shouldn't cut them after growing. All dirt is there. Is this means keeping clean ourselves? Yes? Not taking bath? Yes? Not brushing your teeth twice a day? Is this the meaning of keeping clean ourselves? Yes? Yes, no? You shouldn't brush your teeth. You should not take bath daily. You should not wash your hands properly. You should wear dirty clothes. All these things comes in keeping clean ourselves. Yes? No, it doesn't comes in that. Or what you have to do? First, when you get up early in the morning, you should brush your teeth, take a bath, okay? Wear nice clean clothes, comb your hair properly. If your nails are grown, you should cut them. You will be cutting on your own? No, you should tell your elders or your mama to cut the nails. You should not carry these danger things. Okay? Now after that, what is there? You should eat your meals properly on the time. Isn't it? All this comes in keeping clean ourselves. Okay, children, I will show you one video. Okay? Let's see. We will enjoy this video. See, children, we will watch a video on keeping clean ourselves. How to keep ourselves clean.
Hello, kids. Today we will learn how to keep clean. We can keep clean by wearing clean clothes, taking bath every day, washing hands, rinsing mouth after meals, and brushing our teeth.
Now, did you all enjoy the video? Yes? Now, open your book, page number 4. See, you have taken your awareness book. Open page number 4. All are ready with books? Did you all open the page number 4? Okay. Now, we will see what is the lesson. We will read together. We will keep our finger and we will read. What is the name of the lesson? Yes? What is the name of the lesson? Keep the finger. K-E-E-P-I-N-G. keeping. K-E-E-P-I-N-G, keeping. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Keeping clean. The name of the lesson is keeping clean. Okay. Now, what they have asked us to do, let's see. T-I-C-K, tick. T-I-C-K, tick. Like this you have to put a mark, tick mark. This is called correct, isn't it? Now, T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. W-E-V, W-E-V, D-O-Do, D-O-Do, T-O-2, T-O-2, K-E-E-P, keep, K-E-E-P, keep. C-L-E-A-N, clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Take the things we do to keep clean. Okay? Now few pictures are given over here on this page. Can you see? Yes, we can see some pictures are given there. What that picture is indicating that how to keep yourself clean. Okay? Now first picture. What is that? See, one girl and one boy is there. What they are talking? What they are saying to each other? Let's see. Read. Repeat after me. Okay? N-O-T not. Keep your fingers. Look into your book. N-O-T not. T-A-K-I-N-G, taking. T-A-K-I-N-G, taking. Not taking. A-B-A-T-H, bath. B-A-T-H, bath. Not taking a bath. You should not take a bath or what? Yes? When you get up early in the morning, yes? You should not take a bath. Is it correct? Yes, children? You should not take a bath, or you should take a bath. Huh, children, you tell me. When you get up early in the morning, you should take a bath or no? But what they are discussing with each other? That you should not take a bath. Then is it right or wrong? Wrong. It is wrong. So, put a cross mark over here. Okay? Did you all put? Now, come to second picture. One girl is there standing here and she is holding two clean frocks. What she is saying, let's see. W-E-A-R-I-N-G. Wearing. Once again, W-E-A-R-I-N-G. Wearing. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. C-L-O-T-H-E-S. Clothes. C-L-O-T-H-S. Clothes. Wearing clean clothes. After taking a bath, you should wear dirty clothes or clean clothes, children? Yes? Very good. You should wear clean clothes. That means she is saying correct. So, put a tick mark in this given box. After taking a bath, we should wear clean clothes, isn't it? Now, after that, come to next picture. See what this girl is trying to say. What she wants to say to us, let's see. W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. H-A-N-D-S, hands. W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. H-A-N-D-S, hands. Washing hands. See children, when you want to eat your food or when you want to take your meals, before that what you have to do? You are going to take your meals with dirty hand or with clean hands? Yes, who is going to tell? Yes, correct. With your clean hands, you should eat your food. So for keeping your hands clean before eating food, what you have to do? You have to wash your hands. Before going for eating food, you should wash your hands properly. So is it a good habit or bad habit? Yes, it is a good habit. By washing our hands, we can keep ourselves clean. So, put a small tick mark in a given box. Okay? Did you all done it? Very good. Now, come to next picture. See, what this boy is doing here? He is eating his meals. He is eating his meal. Now, let's see. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. M-E-A-L-S, meals. M-E-A-L-S, meals. O-N on. O-N on. T-I-M-E, time. T-I-M-E, time. Eating meals on time is good habit or bad habit? See, when you get up early in the morning and you are taking your breakfast at lunch time, is it good or bad? Is it correct way to eat your meal? Is the correct time of taking the breakfast in afternoon? No. So, you should take your meals on time. So, is it a good habit or bad habit? Good habit. So, put a small tick mark in the given box. Okay. Now, come to next picture. See, at night when you take your meal, okay, after taking your meal, you go to bed to sleep. Before going to bed, what you should do? Yes, correct. You should brush your teeth properly. Before going to bed, you should brush your teeth properly. Okay. Let's read what it is there. Keep the finger, look into your book and repeat after me. B-R-U-S-H-I-N-G, brushing. B-R-U-S-H-I-N-G, brushing. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Brushing teeth. Brushing teeth. Brushing teeth is good habit or bad habit? Yes, it is a good habit. So, which mark you are going to put? A cross mark or a tick mark? Who is going to say? Yes, correct. A tick mark. Very good. That means you all are knowing what are good habits and what are bad habits. Yes. Now, come to next picture. Come to next picture. After brushing your teeth, what you should do? You should rinse your mouth properly. See, rinse means what? You take water in your mouth, you gargle it properly and you throw that water outside again in the basin. That is called rinsing your mouth. Okay? Now see, what is the spelling of rinsing? R-I-N-S-I-N-G, rinsing. R-I-N-S-I-N-G, rinsing. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. A-F-T-E-R, after. A-F-T-E-R, after. M-E-A-L-S, meals. M-E-A-L-S, meals. Rinsing mouth after meals. See, after taking a bath, you take a breakfast. After taking breakfast, you should rinse your mouth properly. Okay? Then in afternoon again you take lunch. After taking lunch also you should rinse your mouth properly. And at night, before going to bed also you should rinse, or it's better you should brush your teeth properly and then go to bed. Okay? That is the correct way. Okay? Now rinsing mouth after meal is a good habit or a bad habit? Yes, it is a good habit. When you will rinse your mouth properly, you will not have your teeth pain. Every time you tell, no, my tooth is paining, my tooth is paining, it won't happen. If you will rinse your mouth properly, it won't happen then. Okay? So, you should rinse your mouth after eating anything. Whatever you are eating, after eating, you should rinse your mouth properly. It is a good habit. Now, come to next picture. See, this boy is playing in a mud. Let's see, is it a good habit or bad habit? P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. I-N-N, I-N-N, M-U-D, mud. M-U-D, mud. Playing in mud is a good habit or a bad habit? See, if you will play in mud, you will spoil your clothes. You will make your hands dirty, your hands, your legs. Everything gets dirty. All germs will get into your clothes, into your hands, everything. So, is it a good habit or a bad habit? Yes, it is a bad habit. So, tick mark or a cross mark? Cross mark. Very good. That means you have understood this lesson very nicely, very properly. So what you will be doing to keep yourself clean? Do you do all these things at home? Now you all are at home only, no? Are you following the same instructions at home also to keep yourself clean? Yes? If you are not doing, from today onwards, you have to follow all these rules to keep yourself clean and tidy. If you will keep yourself clean and tidy, you will not fall sick or you will not fall sick. So, keep yourself clean. Be safe at home. Okay? Bye.